I'm Liza, owner and lead designer of Liza Nicole Interiors. When I first meet with clients, it's really a discovery. It is figuring out what it is that you want your space to feel like, what you want your space to tell both you and everyone who enters your space. So it's really this time for us to get into the nitty-gritty, have a little mini psychology session, and really get to the root of what this design is supposed to mean to you. Whether we're starting from scratch, we're renovating, or we just want to aesthetically reimagine the space, this whole process is a journey. Once we meet, we talk story, your passions are conveyed, then we get into the root of the spatial planning, we survey and we measure. That's what that means. We get in there, we take a look at what you've currently got going on so we can go back to the office and put it down into a 2D plan and sometimes a 3D perspective. Spatial planning is everything in good design. Our creative juices are beginning to flow from literally the moment I begin talking with you. And again, I start to feel your passions and you convey the energy that you want your space to tell, the story of who you are. And then once the floor plans are approved, it's full steam ahead. So then we go ahead and we start pulling together all of those elements, from cabinetry to hardware to lighting to custom drapery to custom furniture. We are pulling together the elements of your space that emote your passions, tell the story of who you are and what your brand is. Remember being told when you were young that good things come to those who wait? Well, it couldn't ring more true in custom interiors. Each custom element requires skilled hands to create, let's say, a monkey pod table. We take something local and we turn it into something beautiful in your home. That takes time. We have to draw it out, we have to sketch it, we have to work with the creator. All of those elements, again, that make this space specifically made for you. But once all of that care has been taken, the finish line is just ahead. We then can execute those last bit of design details, from placing all of the accessories, getting the carpeting laid, putting the furniture in place. We bring your design full circle. We want you and everyone who enters your space to feel something special. Let's create those memories, one space at a time.